Most Sherpa administrators must play several roles at a dealership. They may also handle marketing, sales, or a role in management and are stretched very thin. Why not make life easier and allow the experts at Compass Professional Services to help keep everything in Sherpa running smoothly? Are you adding a new product line, having a hard time keeping up with newly released models, or maintaining your current product line? Are your reps frustrated with wading through outdated equipment in Sherpa? Let our professional services team assist you with an audit of your data to ensure accurate pricing, a one-time equipment pricing project to get all your data realigned and up to date, or a recurring monthly subscription to keep all your equipment and pricing current. Are you running into errors while spending way too much time completing sales documents by hand? Want a proposal that will stand out from the competition while also saving your reps time and effort? Ensure accuracy and save time by having our team bookmark your documents. Leasing and closing documents will auto-populate out of Sherpa, eliminating mistakes and saving time that could be better spent elsewhere. Our advanced proposal package allows you to add images of the equipment in your proposed solution that will close the deal with your clients. Need a Sherpa administrator but don't have the time or resources to hire and train one from scratch? If you don't have a Sherpa administrator, our administrative maintenance package will enable our professional services team to act as your system administrators. It covers several mission-critical items including user and territory management, reporting, equipment and pricing updates, lease maintenance and EDA UCC trackers. Request a demo, email services@compasscontact.net, or reach out by phone at 800-295-0411 today.